This is the EcoFlow Delta Pro ecosystem, a huge expandable capacity. A mix of renewable charging solutions and direct integration with your home. In this video, we'll show you how to use the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel. The Smart Home Panel connects your Delta Pro unit and add-ons to your home's wiring. With the Smart Home Panel, your home can be linked to 25 kilowatt hours of backup power, solar panels, and an energy management solution. Press the button above the Infinity port to enable, disable, or charge the connected Delta Pro. This stop button cuts power to and from both Infinity ports simultaneously. There are 3 indicators on the panel, 1 to show power is coming from the grid and 2 to show the Delta Pro unit status. The error indicator turns red when there is an issue. These buttons reset a particular circuit relay if the breaker was tripped. A red indicator light means that there has been a fault in that circuit. These buttons cannot be used to de-energize a circuit, which must be done from the main breaker panel. Press the IoT reset button to turn on the Bluetooth or reset the Bluetooth and IoT connection by pressing and holding it for 3 seconds. If the front cover is opened without being de-energized, an alarm will sound. Connect a Delta Pro unit to the Smart Home Panel via the Infinity cable. Then turn on the power supply by pressing the On/Off button above the port. The Smart Home Panel can fast charge Delta Pro at up to 3,400 watts. Most functions of the Smart Home Panel are controlled via the EcoFlow app. Press the IoT reset button to turn on the Bluetooth. Then connect your mobile device to the Smart Home Panel through the Bluetooth. Connect up to 2 Delta Pro units to the Smart Home Panel. Add-ons including extra batteries, solar panels, and EcoFlow Smart Generator are also integrated to your home through Delta Pro units. Home backup mode is enabled by default, which means that if grid power stops, the system will switch to Delta Pro's battery. In the EcoFlow app, you can prioritize which circuits are automatically shut off if there is not enough backup power. Or you can switch circuits on and off manually. The EcoFlow app provides visualized energy usage statistics for all connected circuits. Information on individual circuits helps you optimize energy usage. The app makes it possible to save on energy bills by running your home on Delta Pro's battery when electricity rates are higher and recharging when they're lower, or from AC-coupled solar. If you see a red error indicator on the Smart Home Panel, a full diagnostic report is available on the app. Send the report to our customer support team if you cannot resolve it by yourself. Replace the relay modules of a circuit if needed. Press the overcurrent button to reset each circuit relay if the breaker is tripped. For more videos on your EcoFlow products, head to our support channel on YouTube.